What's up, YouTube? It's Deric McCottrell here, the founder and CEO of Panther Magazine. In this video, I'll be describing how cleaning the carbon out of your exhaust can possibly change the performance and the sound of your exhaust system. So it's pretty windy outside, so I'm going to tell the story here inside the Vic. Maybe a week or two ago, I decided to clean my Crown Vic 1998 LX. Straight piped X pipe, Flowmaster 44s with no cats, and it was a boring Saturday night after work. I'm off Sunday, so I figured why not wash the car. And then I thought, maybe I should probably try to wash the exhaust or clean the exhaust out, maybe the exhaust pipes. And I cleaned the pipes out. There was a lot of carbon in there. I haven't tried to do anything like that, and I had the car for about a year, and I do a lot of driving. So that's pretty much what this video is about. After I cleaned the exhaust pipes, I noticed a difference in sound, definitely, and performance. I know a few guys in the Panther community don't think this is true. Maybe it's something I just wanted to believe, but I mean, I don't know. I think something as simple as just cleaning the carbon as much as you can out of your exhaust pipes makes a big difference on how the exhaust sounds and how it performs as well. So that's pretty much what this video is about. It's pretty windy out here. I promised somebody I'd make this video when I had some time, so I definitely put it together, but it's really simple. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys try it and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Thanks. So pretty much all I have here is a t-shirt or a shirt and some warm water. I don't know if it needs to be warm, but I use warm water and some dish soap. And just gonna put the shirt in there and then just clean the exhaust. Try to clean around it, clean the tips. The tips always have carbon on them. I scrubbed it pretty good last week. Not much. Clean around it, then you want to clean the inside of it as much as you can. It's going to look like that. Try to go as far in there as you can with your hand. And put the whole thing in there maybe. Most of it, but there's still carbon in there, and pretty much I did that to both pipes, and I heard a difference, felt a difference. So maybe you guys should try it. So I only cleaned the right side pipe. Again, this was about a couple weeks ago. I do a lot of driving to and from work. I'm actually driving to Philadelphia after work tomorrow for a Panther meet. But yeah, I just started the Vic. And again, I noticed a difference in sound in the right pipe that I cleaned opposed to the left one that I didn't clean. So let's see. I have a remote start on here too, which is pretty cool.